Good afternoon. I'm Anshu Bhandari from SM Rotoflex Private Limited. We here make bags from plastic, non-woven and paper. We have been in the plastic market from 25 to 30 years. We have started non-woven 5 years ago. We are the leading non-woven packaging bags which we provide to a lot of with you can please check our non-woven and paper collection over here. Non-woven collection has laminated flexo printing in all kinds of bags available here. Many sizes, many qualities. We can give you all your needs. We can satisfy all your needs. You can just call us up at sales@smrotoflex.com on the mail or a mobile number at 93902 55500. Thank you. Actually, I would like to tell that my dad is the chairman of HIPLEX. I'm very proud of him. He is doing a great work over here, and we are also having a lot of people coming in and connecting with us over here.